my wife and I were interested in getting into cross-country skiing, so we found this neat package on Amazon by Whitewood. It comes with everything you need: poles, skis, boots, and bindings, and there's a little chart on your size. But these are the tools you're going to need to do some minor. First thing you want to do is determine your right from your left, and it's got a little foot on there, and you can see that which one's your right. I put a permanent marker with an R and an L to determine that. I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, you can see the indentation in the boot here. That's where you want the teeth on the disc to go. Here you want to put the boot in the binding, make sure those 3 holes are lined up. And then you want to put now it's attached in there, you want to put the little disc where your heel's going to be, and you want to kind of make sure those little spikes are going into kind of not on the tread of the boot so you feel like you're stepping on something, but kind of the indentations in there. You can kind of look at the side here to see kind of roughly where it's at. And I'm going to make a little mark here to just so I have an idea where the little resistance is, and just kind of make sure it's in the middle. And I got a little piece of paper in there to protect from the wood shavings. And now I'm going to grab the little kind of pilot drill. I want to make sure it's less than the threads. I don't really know the size, but just make sure the drill is less than the threads. And right here, I'm putting this on for the depth of the drill so I don't go all the way through the ski. And now I'm doing it to the other one. Works pretty good. And so that's going to be the actual hole that I can drill in. And again, that's less than the teeth of the screw. So when you're screwing this in, this wants to be in there firm. Don't use a drill here. You do it by hand, and make sure it's firm, but you do not want to break those threads. But it doesn't want to move either. So to get the other one, I just lined them up, and using a ruler, this is a level. You don't need a level part. That's the only ruler I had. But just find a equal spot, and you can either do the same thing as before, or you can just use a ruler here, and makes the process go a lot quicker. And then just repeat the drilling with the depth you already have, and you're good to go. Julie R. gives it 5 out of 5 stars.
I am loving my new XC skis. Since I've gotten them for Christmas, I have skied a few times on ungroomed trails where I had to break the trail. I skied in some pretty thick new snow and also on some wet snow. I would recommend getting Ski Wax Maxiglide XC Quick Wax with this package. Really makes these skis work almost effortless. They have worked really well. I am very, very pleased.